Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning DJ layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the DJ layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really vibrant, and I'm sure you can use this for other creative websites as well. And if you want to lay your hands on it, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the DJ layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that come with this layout pack. So these are available in Divi, and you can also view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. And over here you can explore all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack without actually having to install them on your website first. So say for instance you want to use this landing page, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So over here you have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page, and we're going to choose one of the DJ Layout Packs layouts by clicking on the purple button over here. And over here we have all of the different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the DJ Layout Pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available again, so you can select your layout of choice and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and from that point on you can start modifying everything and make it ready to go live. So you can use Divi's built-in options to change the look and feel of your website, but you can also play around with Divi's efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout the entire layout pack in just a few clicks. So say for instance you want to change this font that's being used, you can open the module, go to the Design tab, go to the heading text settings, and you can change this font with another font of your choice by right-clicking, clicking on Find and Replace. And we're changing this font within this page with another font of our choice. So say for instance, we'll take Apple Fat Face over here, and we'll also tick off the box that says Replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font to make sure that all of the text is covered, and then click on Replace. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire layout, and you can basically do that for each and every design element that you have and each and every option. So go ahead and play around with Divi's built-in options and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.